Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Python fundamentals. So let's give a small introduction. Where Python fundamentals have a term called IPO, where IPO stands for input, process and output. So every program in Python runs with the term IPO, where an input is given in a program and process is done and an output is given, where IPO circle is most common in every program, where every program contains IPO cycle, where program is a set of instructions that govern the processing. In other words, we can say a program forms the base for processing. Certainly, you learn about Python basics like character set, tokens, expression, statement, simple input and output and more. So we are ready with our basics and let us continue this in our upcoming videos. Thank you.